The system control is using a powerful database that receives all sensor information and controls all actors in the system. That design enables you to have flexible control in large systems with multiple sites and operators. It is scalable from a single sensor installation up to a whole city deployment. Multiple command and control rooms, with unlimited numbers of operators and supervisors, who can access all information in real time.
With the most advanced radar system, you will be able to detect even small drones at a distance of up to 1 kilometer from your target and receive accurate tracking information. With this level of accuracy and range, is a must-have for anyone wanting to ensure that their targets remain safe from threats posed by small drones.
Our camera system delivers target identification during the day and night, with optical and thermal cameras. The specially designed pan-tilt head has enough speed and precision to track the fastest drones based on radar data and our implemented KI video analytics. With this combination of technology, we are able to deliver reliable and efficient target identification regardless of the time of day or weather conditions.
The individual jamming solution can interfere with the drone's control and navigation systems and disable it before it reaches the target area. By doing so, it disrupts the drone's ability to precisely coordinate its flight path and thus prevents it from performing its mission.
Our solution can seamlessly integrate and implement other sensors, like RF triangulation, or acoustic or optical sensors, as well as advanced defense systems, for manual destruction of the target drone. The integration of these sensors and defense systems can allow for more accurate detection and control of drones, potentially reducing the threat of malicious activities and improving safety.
Our main focus is operability. No matter if you have a single operator or a big team operating the system from several command and control rooms, different automation functions exist, like flexible alarm zones around a moving convoy or 3D around aircraft. Threat analysis based on movement prediction, automated identification of multiple drones, and integration of communication systems. These automation functions help to maximize safety and security.
You are welcome to visit our test center in Lucerne, Switzerland. For a live system demo at the center, our team of engineers will be available to answer any questions and demonstrate how our system works.